Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about what is collection in the Apex, right? So let's see. So collection in Apex means collection is the non-primitive data type in the Salesforce where we can store the multiple values of same data type, right? So if we want to store the multiple values of the same data type, then we can store in the collection, right? So we have done our primitive data types, right? So what are the primitive data types? If we want to store the single values in a variable, then we need to go for primitive data types. And non-primitive data types means if we want to store the multiple values of the same data type, right? So one of them is the collection, right? So in the collection, we can store the multiple values. So type of the collection here. So we have three types of collection in our Apex programming. Number one is list, number two is set, number three is map. So number one list is a collection of elements that is stored in a sequence and allow duplicate values, right? So let's understand with the help of example. Suppose you are making a list of gold item, right? Like number one is ring, number two is chain, number three is again ring. So order matters here, right? And duplicate items are allowed. So we can write the same item many times, right? But order matters. In which order we are storing the values that matters in the list, right? Number two is set. So set is a collection of element that store unique data. It does not follow the sequence. So suppose, for example, suppose a teacher is taking attendance in the classroom, like Rahul, Anjali, Rahul. So duplicates name are not allowed here. So Rahul is cannot come in the second time, right? So here uh, uh, order does not matter. So student name should be different in any way, whether their father's name should be different, their birthday should be different, right? So uh, right? So in this way, we can store our values in the set, right? So it does not follow any sequence. In which sequence you are inserting the data, you are adding the element in the set, it doesn't follow that sequence, right? But whatever value you are going to store in the set, that must be unique, right? So next one is map. Map is a collection of element that contains the unique key and values, right? So for example, suppose you want to store a contact number and list with the name, right? So this person have this contact number. You are making a list of those contact numbers, right? So each person must have the unique contact number, right? So each key must be unique to hold our values. So here in our example, uh, contact number must be different with a respective person, right? So all these three things we will do uh, in our further videos. With the help of coding, we will implement one by one all the things. So this is the basic information about the collection in Apex. I hope the concept of list, set and map is clear in your brain. So thank you for watching my videos. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos.